Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are headed to the scrapyard. I've got some old fencing wire that I need to get rid of. In the process, we're gonna find out how much my welding truck weighs with this 20-foot bumper pull trailer that I use quite a bit for welding projects. And by default, we're also gonna find out how much scrap metal is going for right now per ton per 2,000 pounds here in Oklahoma in 2023. Let's head to the scrapyard. Here is what we're doing today. We've got our gin pole and we're loading some old, what they call no climb wire that was on some places, in some fence lines, on and in some fence lines here on our property. But we've tore it out and we've put back like smooth wire or barbed wire or something. And as you can see, grass has been sitting here growing through it. It's time to take it to the scrapyard. So we've got one roll loaded so far. I'm gonna try to squeeze this other one right here. And I really wanna get one on top because I gotta go down to the farm and grab some stuff from down there. Also, if I wanna put it on the back, I may not have to. The little that's down there at the farm, I'm thinking of this as I'm talking. I might be able to put this behind, and then that other roll, I got one bigger roll left over there. And I might just be able to put the other stuff on the sides. We'll see what happens. This would be a good time to have a traco push down on all this, but I got it to fit. I think it'll work. Now I'm gonna set that bigger roll behind rather than on top, and then go down to the farm and load that wire. My backup camera quit working. My whole radio in general just quit working. It's black. I ain't had time to fool with it, so this is taking me back to the good old days before we had backup cameras. However, I'm not gonna hand crank it whenever I got a Milwaukee Impact come on. I just took and welded an impact socket to this shaft here. I can't remember if I had to cut something off. I'm sure I did, and then the original handle I modified and put a 1/2 inch square stock on it in case I don't have an impact. I can still get my trailer up and down. In other words, we're combining old school with new school. No backup camera, so it takes some skill, but we're gonna lessen the hard work by using an electric impact. All right, we've made it to the scrap yard here in Tulsa. The reason we had to come to Tulsa is because most scrap yards, at least from what we've heard, won't take wire, like fencing wire like this. So Kayla found this place in Tulsa called Sims Metals, and they take wire. That's why we're here. Waiting for old dude to get done weighing, and we'll pull up on the scale. How much we weigh loaded. All right, got the go ahead. 16,000 pounds. We'll see what we weigh without the wire and find out how much scrap is going for a ton, per ton right now. Back in right there. Thank you. Empty. Let's see what we weigh empty.
Can I take your name?
Yeah, it's Austin Ross.
Okay, give me just a sec.
Right.
Okay, sir, I got your weight.
Thank you. 1580 is what it read. Couldn't get a good shot of it. Now it's time to go in and get paid. Not even a ton, so it's gonna be like $40 or something.
20, 30, 40, 51. Thanks.
I sure appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. A little more than 40. It was 51 and some change. When I get in the truck, I'll see how much a ton is going for right now here in Oklahoma. All right, let's take a look, see here. $12 processing fee. Unit 120. $120 per ton, I believe. Yeah, looks like 940 was the difference in our weight. In other words, 940 pounds is how much all the wire weighed. And for those of you who may not know how much 1 ton is, 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. And it would have to be 2,000 pounds right here to get the full 120. So we only left with $51 and some change. So 15,080 pounds is how much my welding truck and this 20-foot bumper pull trailer weighs. Let me know in the comments how much you think this trailer weighs. That way we can all get a rough idea how much my welding truck weighs by itself. One day I'll run across some scales with just the welding truck and we'll find out exactly how much it weighs by itself. Cool deal. Got rid of some wire though. That's my biggest deal with scrap and fencing is just cleaning up the place, you know what I mean? It doesn't bother me as much as it bothers Kayla, but it still bothers me. Wouldn't we all love to have a nice pristine fab yard, you know? Shop, fab yard, everything nice and organized. We'll get there one day. We will get there one day. One scrap load at a time, baby. One scrap load at a time. All right, since I'm terrible with directions, I gotta punch in the address here so I know where I'm going. If you're new around here, check out our website, aroswelding.com, and our trade school website, aroswelding.school. And to get notified about anything new that's going on with Aros Welding, make sure and get on our email list or send us a text at 405-643-7176. If you want to get on the email list instead, head on over to aroswelding.com. I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you learned something, and I hope you're staying cool this summer. Thanks for watching, and remember, learn something every day.